today we are going have a conversation about the Singa, how Singa was named. First one is who is the character of the story, the Singa?
Sang Niliyatama and the King.
Okay. How about the what are the name of the island?
Temasik.
Okay. For the next one is who were declared that they are going to Temasik Island.
The King.
Okay. And for the translation, on your own opinion, what are the imaginative on Tagalog?
Imaginative in Tagalog is the imahinasyon.
How about the king?
The King is the Tagalog is Hari.
Okay.